Look what's stuck. Again.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch.
So I told him not to go through this, but he did anyways. And now it's stuck. Once again, this has happened once before. And what are we using to pull it out? A broken truck. So the diff is pretty much done in this truck, so it's scary to drive on the highway. We need to get the diff fixed.
It's way more than a foot.
So I'm using this to pull this little thing out. That's full of firewood. Oh, fun, fun, fun.
Falling out, we've reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling, falling down, we fading. But I know that we can save it. We're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Falling, falling down, fading. I know we can save it. 'Cause we're like Alpha, Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha, Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha, Omega. Alpha, Omega.
I'm good, and I get stuck again. Ay, ay, ay.
Okay, so now I need a whole bunch of pieces cut at 32.5. It's a nice shot.
So there's a part of the property here right behind the house that has a lot of little trees and grass, and I'd like to get the goats in there to clean it all up and make it look better. So I'm going to be using a bit of my electric netting, at least what I have, and I'm going to be combining it with electric wire and see how the goat's doing it.
I could never settle down too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound. I stick by them till I'm in the ground.
Alright guys, you excited? I'm thinking so.
Resting on the
Oh.
all of the stories I've been told, secret places hidden well, are gone now as far as I can tell.
Alright guys, now you can clear some bush for us, because it needs to get done.
On my way to become a poor excuse of a better one.
So now everybody has got all over behind those trees, behind the makeshift pen thing that was there already, and then it goes all the way there. You can see a yellow pin right over there. That's one part of the fence, and it goes behind these bushes and into the corner over there. So hopefully they will clear out most of this brush and this bushes here, then all over in here. That'd be great. So 10 million mosquito bites later and the fence is finally up. That's great. So the goats are out here now and they're munching about, loving it. So that is great. I'm happy about that. Chicken coop is finally finished. Well, I guess it's not quite. There's a couple little things, but I highly doubt I'll ever get to it. But they're happy. I got those chicks out of the barn, so it's less stinky now, so that's great. But that is all I have for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Without